Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakSquadChats. I'm Jake from Chicago. Still on my very first cup of coffee, so please bear with me.
And I'm Maria from Miami, already on my second cup, so I am way ahead of Jake today, as usual.
That is unfortunately very, very true. Okay, so today's episode is one that I genuinely think every single English learner absolutely needs.
Because talking about your daily routine is one of the most common conversation topics in English, ever, bar none.
Your teacher asks you, your coworker asks you, someone you just met at a party asks you.
Even job interviews. Walk me through a typical day for you. That question comes up all the time.
And it sounds so simple, right? But saying it naturally with the right verbs, the right phrases, the right flow, that takes real practice.
So today we're doing it together. Jake and I are going to describe our full days, morning to night, out loud in real English.
And along the way, we'll teach you the phrases, the vocabulary, and the natural expressions you need to do exactly the same thing.
Ready, Speak Squad?
Let's wake up and speak English. Okay, part one, the morning. Let's start with the very first moment of the day, waking up.
Okay, so my morning. My alarm goes off at 6:30. And honestly, my very first instinct every single morning is to hit snooze.
Same, every single morning. It's like a negotiation with myself.
Right? I'm like, okay, 5 more minutes. Then 5 more minutes becomes 20 and suddenly I'm running late and panicking.
Okay, first phrase of the day. Ready, Speak Squad? My alarm goes off at blank. Not my alarm rings, though that works too, but goes off is much more natural in American English.
My alarm goes off at 6:30. Say it with us. My alarm goes off at blank. Fill in your time.
And hit snooze. That's when you press the button to stop the alarm for just a few more minutes of sleep. Everyone hits snooze. It's a universal human experience.
You are not alone.
Okay, so after you finally get up, Maria, what's the very first thing you do?
I go straight to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, cold water on my face, boom, suddenly I'm alive.
Notice, I go straight to the bathroom. The word straight here means immediately, without stopping anywhere else first. I go straight to the kitchen. I go straight to work. Same idea every time.
And then, coffee, obviously. I make a pot of coffee, and while it's brewing, I try to just sit quietly. No phone, no TV, just me and the morning silence.
That sounds incredibly peaceful, honestly.
It really is. It's my favorite 10 minutes of the whole day.
Key phrase, while it's brewing. Brewing means the coffee is being made, the hot water is going through the coffee grounds. While it's brewing means during that waiting time.
What about your morning, Jake? Because yours sounds very different from mine.
Very, very different. I have 2 kids, so...
Say no more.
The moment I wake up, it is already full chaos. Someone needs breakfast, someone can't find their shoes, the dog needs to go outside, all at the same time.
Every single morning?
Every single morning without fail. So my morning is basically survive and get everyone out the door on time.
Get everyone out the door. This is such a common phrase, especially for parents. It means get everyone ready and successfully leave the house.
And hectic, H-E-C-T-I-C. This means very busy, rushed, a little crazy, not relaxed at all. My mornings are hectic, very natural, very common, very real.
What about breakfast, Jake? Do you even have time to eat?
Sometimes, if I'm lucky. Usually something really quick. Toast, a banana, maybe yogurt if I'm feeling ambitious.
Ambitious breakfast goals.
Jake to the camera. I'm not a big breakfast person. This phrase means breakfast is not important to me. I don't eat much in the morning. You can use this for anything. I'm not a big coffee person. I'm not a big fan of mornings.
That last one describes basically everyone on a Monday. Part 2. Getting to work. How do you actually get there, Jake?
I drive. About 25 minutes on a good day. On a bad day, traffic. Easily 45 minutes. Sometimes more.
Traffic is honestly the worst.
The absolute worst thing about mornings. I usually listen to a podcast on the way. Makes the drive feel so much shorter.
I take the train actually, and I genuinely love it. I get to just sit, drink my coffee, read a little. Nobody needs anything from me for 30 whole minutes.
Dreamily. That sounds so incredibly civilized.
New important word, commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E. Your commute is the trip from your home to your work and back again at the end of the day.
My commute takes 30 minutes. I have a really long commute. I commute by train, or I commute by car.
And on a good day, this means when everything goes smoothly. No problems, no traffic, no delays.
As opposed to on a bad day when absolutely everything goes wrong.
Which for me is every rainy Monday.
Part 3. The workday itself. Okay, Maria, walk me through your typical workday. What actually happens?
Okay, so I usually get to my desk around 9. First thing I always do is check my emails, go through everything that came in overnight.
Same for me. Emails first. It's like you have to clear the clutter before you can actually start the real work.
Exactly that feeling. Then I usually have a team meeting most mornings, around 9:30. We go over what everyone is working on that day.
To the camera. Go over. This means to review something carefully, to look at it and discuss it together. We go over the plan. Let me go over that with you. Very common in work settings.
And then the rest of the morning is focused work. Design projects, client calls, emails back and forth.
What about lunch? Do you take a real, proper lunch break?
I really try to. I think it is so important for your brain. I usually take about 30 minutes. Sometimes I eat at my desk, which I know is terrible, but other days I go out with coworkers.
I always say step away from your desk at lunch, even for just 15 minutes. It completely resets your brain for the afternoon.
Totally agree. And then the afternoon. Honestly, the afternoon is always harder for me. I hit a wall around 2 or 3 o'clock every single day.
Pointing excitedly. Oh, hit a wall. Tell them what that means, Maria.
To the camera, hit a wall means suddenly your energy just drops completely. You feel tired, you can't concentrate, you've been working hard, and your brain just says, okay, I need a break right now.
So common around 2 or 3 p.m. It happens to almost everyone. You are not lazy. It's just biology.
That's exactly when I get my second coffee of the day, or I go for a quick 10-minute walk outside just to wake my brain back up.
Smart move. My afternoon is usually back-to-back meetings.
Oh no, Jake.
Yeah, some days I look at my calendar and it's just meeting. And I'm sitting there thinking, when am I supposed to actually do any work?
To the camera, back to back, this means one thing right after another. No break in between at all. I had 5 meetings back to back this morning. Very common in work conversation.
Part 4. After work. Honestly, my favorite part of the entire day.
Mine too. What do you usually do, Jake?
So I try to leave the office by 5. I pick up the kids from their after-school program. We drive home together. I start making dinner.
Wait, you actually cook?
I try to. Some nights it's a real proper meal. Other nights it's, okay everyone, it's cereal night. Sorry, not sorry.
Cereal night. I love that so much. Zero judgment from me.
The kids actually love cereal night more than real dinner. So honestly, everyone wins.
To camera, no judgment. This means I'm not criticizing you at all. I understand completely. It's totally fine. You'll hear Americans say this all the time to make someone feel comfortable and accepted.
What about you, Maria, after work?
So I
usually finish around 5:30 or 6. And the very first thing I do when I walk through my door, I change out of my work clothes. Immediately, like within the first 30 seconds.
This is so important, so necessary.
It's like a mental switch. Work mode, off. Home mode, on. Your brain actually feels the difference.
To camera, change out of. This means take off one type of clothing to put on something else. I change out of my work clothes. I change out of my gym clothes. Very natural and common phrase.
And then I usually cook something. I genuinely love cooking, so it's relaxing for me. Or I'll call my mom back in Miami or go for an evening walk if the weather's being nice.
That sounds really healthy and balanced, honestly.
I try. Some nights it works perfectly. Other nights I'm completely exhausted and I just order takeout and collapse on the couch and watch something on Netflix.
And that is also completely valid and wonderful. To camera, order takeout. This means order food from a restaurant to be delivered directly to your home, or you go and pick it up yourself. You don't eat at the restaurant. I ordered takeout last night. Very, very common phrase in American English.
Part 5. The end of the day. Winding down. My favorite phrase.
Smiles. Wind down. Say it with us, everyone.
To camera. Wind down means slowly relax, reduce your energy. Prepare your mind and body gently for sleep. I need to wind down before bed. My wind down routine starts around 9.
So my evenings, after the kids are finally in bed, I just try to decompress completely. Maybe watch something with my wife, read a little, just breathe.
What time do the kids actually go to bed?
In theory, 8:30. In reality, closer to 9:30 after all the negotiations.
Laughing. Parenting is just constant negotiation, isn't it?
Constant, every single day, nonstop.
To camera. Decompress. Similar to wind down, but a little stronger. It means release all the stress of the day. Let go of all the tension you've been carrying. I just need an hour to decompress after work. Very natural, very real.
What about your evenings, Maria?
So I really try to stop looking at my phone around 9. I know, shocking after what I said in episode 1.
Growth, real growth right there.
Real growth. I've been reading before bed lately, like actual books, physical pages, and it genuinely helps me sleep so much better.
Reading before bed is so good for your brain. It slows everything down naturally. No blue screen, no notifications, just words and quiet.
And then lights out around 10:30 or 11. I am not a night owl at all.
To camera, night owl, such a fun phrase. A night owl is someone who stays up very late. They feel most alive and energetic at night.
The opposite is early bird, someone who wakes up early and has natural energy in the morning.
Are you a night owl or an early bird? You will hear this question a lot in English.
Personally, I'm an early bird who sometimes wishes she was a night owl.
And I'm a night owl who has 2 children, so I have absolutely no choice but to be an early bird now. Life humbles you.
Okay, Speak Squad. Now let's put everything we learned today all together. Watch how Maria and I describe our full days naturally, like in a real conversation.
My days are pretty hectic, honestly. I'm a dad of 2, so mornings are basically controlled chaos. I get up around 6:30, get the kids ready, make sure everyone eats something, and then I'm out the door by 8. I drive to work, usually about 25 minutes if traffic isn't terrible. Work is pretty meeting heavy, lots of back-to-back stuff, especially in the afternoons. I try to leave by 5, pick up the kids, do dinner, bedtime routine, and then finally around 9, I get to just sit and breathe. I wind down with a little TV or reading, and I'm usually out by 11.
So my days are pretty hectic, honestly. I'm a dad of 2, so mornings are basically controlled chaos. I get up around 6:30, get the kids ready, make sure everyone eats something, and then I'm out the door by 8. I drive to work. Usually about 25 minutes of traffic isn't terrible. Work is pretty meeting heavy. Lots of back-to-back stuff, especially in the afternoons. I try to leave by 5, pick up the kids, do dinner, bedtime routine, and then finally around 9, I get to just sit and breathe. I wind down with a little TV or reading, and I'm usually out by 11.
Mine is a little calmer, no kids yet, so my mornings are mostly just me and my coffee, which I love. I wake up at 6:30, go through my morning routine, take the train to work, which I genuinely enjoy. Work is focused and creative. I'm a designer, so it's mostly project work and client communication. I hit a wall around 3 every afternoon, second coffee time. After work, I like to cook or go for walks. Evenings, I try to wind down early, stop looking at my phone around 9, read a little, and I'm usually asleep by 10:30 or 11.
Did you notice something important? We didn't say, first I wake up, then I eat, then I go to work.
That sounds like a grocery list, not a real human conversation.
Instead, we use natural connector words, so, and then, usually, by the time, finally, honestly.
Those small connector words make your English flow beautifully. They make it sound like a real person talking, not a robot reading a schedule out loud.
Okay, SpeakSquadChats family, let's do our full phrase review. Maria, take it away.
My alarm goes off at, I hit snooze. I go straight to, while it's brewing, my mornings are hectic.
My commute takes minutes. We go over the plan. I hit a wall around o'clock. Back-to-back meetings. I change out of my work clothes.
I order takeout. I wind down before bed. I need to decompress. I'm not a night owl. Early bird versus night owl.
15 phrases, one for practically every hour of your day.
Write every single one down. Practice saying them out loud, in your own voice, about your own real life.
Here is your one challenge from episode 3 of SpeakSquadChats. Just one thing.
Tonight, before you go to sleep, describe your whole day in English, out loud.
Just to yourself. In the mirror, in your head, out loud in your room, wherever feels comfortable.
Use the phrases from today. My alarm went off at, I went straight to, by the time I got home, I was.
This is one of the single best exercises for building real English fluency. Describing your own actual life, your own real day.
Because you are already the expert on your own routine. You already know the content. We just gave you the English words to express it.
Now put them together. Tell your story in English.
Thank you so much for being here with us today. Welcome to the SpeakSquadChats family if this is your very first episode. And welcome back if you've been with us since the beginning.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. So many more amazing episodes are coming your way.
And leave us a comment below. Are you an early bird or a night owl? We genuinely want to know.
We read every single comment. Everyone, always.
Have a beautiful day, everyone. Morning to night.
See you in episode 4. This is SpeakSquadChats, where your English journey begins. Bye, everyone.